So as a YouTuber, content creators, PDFs are one of the most common types of files that you'll deal with. And a lot of the times you'll need to make changes to them, read them, or even if you're a student, you might need to do stuff like this as well. That's why I'm going to be checking out an amazing software for you guys today. And it's actually called Afirstsoft PDF. So without me saying anything else, let's just get right into the video. All right. So like you guys can see, I'm actually on Afirstsoft PDF's website. And I just quickly wanted to show you guys some of the features. So right here, we can see breathe new life into your PDFs, edit and polish your documents with precision. Now, if we come down here, it highlights all the different features in the software itself, as well as the free download link right here, which I'm actually about to download it. Feature pack PDF solution for every sort of, job, whatever you need it for. I'm not coming down here. We can see kind of each service and what kind of job would need to use a software like this. And it kind of highlights all the features and it just kind of outlines all of the different benefits of each level of membership. So I'm just going to go to the free download right here. Just going to give it a second. I have some footage downloading right now. So I'm just going to download it to my computer here. I'm going to give it a second, and just like that, I'm going to be able to run the installer. So after installing, we'll see something like this. I'm just going to press install, and it's going to run the installation media for the actual software itself. So I'm going to let it do its thing. You can see it's at 2% installed, and once we get it fired up, I'm going to preview a PDF, and yeah, we'll just get right into that. All right, so I'm in Afirstsoft PDF's actual app now. It just finished downloading. It took me forever to download because I had this footage downloading that was like massive, so it took a second, but we're in here now. I just quickly wanted to show you using the PDF user guide. We can just use this to edit, and I can show you guys some of the features. So I'm going to full screen this real quick, but we can see just the UI itself is super beginner friendly. Like, I'm not super overwhelmed by editing this to the point where I'm like, holy, like what's going on right now, which I feel like a lot of those softwares exist in terms of editing PDFs. There's so many different options and they're in your face, and it doesn't make sense to have all that information on the screen. But the way that this software is laid out, it just makes so much sense. So I just downloaded a random PDF off the internet right now. So I'm going to open it up right here. So we can see this is a random PDF. I literally just downloaded it off the internet. So I'm going to go through some of the features of the software itself. Now, highlighting is super cool. We're able to literally just come through here, highlight segments that we think are important. I accidentally just Alt F4'd the software. So I'm going to boot that back up. Again, highlighting feature is super cool that we're able to do something like this. Now, editing, we're also able to edit some stuff. So we can see that there are text segments. I can literally just select words and literally edit it as if it was like a document, which is super cool. This works well for contracts if you needed to edit something in there. Adding text, we're also able to just add like a text box, type literally whatever we want at like the bottom of the screen or something like that. And then OCR as well gives the option for OCR to office to image, which would be converting this to an image. Obviously, these are the home selections. The hand allows us to scroll through the document as is. Selecting would be selecting to like copy paste. We could underline, we can strike stuff if we wanted to, which is super cool. If we wanted to, we literally come here, edit. So we go to the edit thing. We're able to change the fonts, bold, underline, italic, center the text, anything. It's super cool. Now come here to the edit thing. This categorizes all the features, which is super useful. Again, hand select, add text, crop the page even. We can select the safe zone if we'd like to. So we can like crop it down to this, apply it, which would just change the page to being that size, which we don't want to do. So I'm going to undo that. Now commenting, we can add underlining, strike through. I don't know what tilde means, but we can add stickers as well, which is like super funny and 100% useful. We toss up the logo right there. But yeah, there are just so many different features in here. We can convert it to a PDF like it already is. We can create a PDF, to Word, to Excel, PowerPoint, image, different file of PDF, more. There are all these things. Batch convert. We can make it full screen. We can exit out of that. We can go to single page scrolling, zoom in on a specific thing. Now the page, we can just come through here and select. Now we can also reorganize the pages, which is really cool. But yeah, that's basically the software itself. Now, all we would have to do if we want to save this, send it to someone, we could just save it. We're also able to print if we'd like to. Now, all we'd have to do is save it. If we wanted to like send it to someone, we go to your save as, name it, whatever. And then this is actually the updated version of the PDF. So that's really cool that we're able to do that. You guys can see that I unleashed absolute terror on this document by highlighting random things, striking through all these random things. But yeah, that is basically how to use the PDF software. I know this is going to benefit a lot of you guys, no matter what you have to do for your job, whether you're a student, a creator, some sort of manager, anything like that. But if you guys do enjoy it, you want to go check out the software, link will be at the top of the description as well as a comment. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.